hang on. Go on.
Hello everybody, here we are at the Gadage. I've sent some photos recently about this. I've now dug out the channel, as you all can point to the channel. That was full of soil. So we dug it out because I think it looks better. It's showing its natural features. And we're going to try and move the wheel for the first time. I don't know when it last moved, but we'll see what happens. I've noticed that the wheel's fixed into here, so it's not the actual wheel that turns, it's the bar that turns. And I think there's a grease nipple in that little contraption over there. I'll give it a spray. Nunes, you'll have to move because you get your toes squashed. Look, typical. So I'm gonna try. We've got a medic on standby, just in case. So I'm gonna use a bit of leverage first, because right at the end, I'm just gonna see if it'll move. Are we ready? Are we ready? Ooh. Okay, so yes, it moved. And Anne's going for a shower apparently. Right, it moved. Let's try it again. That was actually quite easy. Oh, there we go. It's freed it up, hasn't it? Look.
Wow.
Superman. Look.
Watch,
Hey, up, it's off.
watch Nunes behind you.
So I'm gonna hold it there for Cam.
Oh.
I'm gonna hold it there, and I'm gonna wash it because it's full of all the soil and everything's all over it. So I'm gonna wash it and get rid of the rest of the soil down here. Superb, isn't it? Next, apples, cider. We've bought a still, so we could make, I don't know, cider brandy. Thank you.